We have a sticking door, look. If you look here, it's caught on the bottom there. Look at all the damage that's come. Look, it's caught there. Yep, so this video is about how, if you've got this in your home or wherever, outside, inside, how to quickly sort that problem out. So what we need to do is shave the bottom of the door, and we'll show you how to quickly do that and how to mark it. Okay, so stick with us. So look, find where it's sticking, and it sticks there. Get yourself a pencil, like that. Okay, put the pencil on the bottom like that, on the ground, and we just run a line like that. All the way along there. All the way along there, like that, look. Okay. So what we've done is we've marked that at the highest point where the door catches, and we'll have a nice line along there. And let's say, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the door off here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this. So we're going to take 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3 off the bottom. So the door will be screwed in with 1 at the very bottom and 1 at the very top. So then what we can do is take the 1 off at the bottom, someone can hold the door, and then I'll take the 1 at the top. So let's get on and do that. It's connected by 1 screw at the bottom there. There's nothing connecting that one, and it's got 1 screw there. Okay, so we'll leave this top one. We'll take the bottom one off, and then we've just got 1 screw to take out of the top when someone's holding the door. Bottom screws out. We just got this top one, so I just need someone to hold the door, and then we'll take this last one out here. Yeah, so I'm going to just slowly undo that. Now I need to go and get someone to hold the door for me, like that, and then I can take that off and we'll take the door off. Someone's holding the door. I'll quickly take this one out. Look, there you are. Screws off, and the door has not fallen off. Right, so someone's holding the door. So let's take the door off, and we'll go and put the table outside. Look, you can see that line there. So we've got to basically get our planer and plane along that line, look, and then it will follow the contour of that floor exactly at its highest point. Yeah. So we need to make sure. The thing is, we need to make sure we keep it here at 90 degrees, nice and plain like that. So I've got an electric planer. So let's go. The secret with a planer, you've obviously got the planer going around like that. Now, when you go that way, it's going to hit into the door, and that's good because it's not going to splinter. When you come to this side, if you keep going like that, it will splinter this off like that. So you have to do this side that way and this side that way, so then you don't get any otherwise you get bits of the wood splitting off like that. So I've just marked that at 90 degrees down there, so I now know what I've got to cut off. So here's my planer, good old Makita. So I'll set that up and we'll run that along the bottom. I couldn't do the planing and video, but I've trimmed that all down. You can see that all like that. It's all nice and trimmed. So just remember, cut that way on that side and that way on that side. So now let's go and put the door back. So now I'll put 1 screw in there and 1 screw in the bottom, and we just test it because you won't be the first person to screw it all back up and find it still binds. But look, lovely. Doesn't catch at all, so that's good. Job done. Still got all the bits of sawdust on here, but we'll vacuum that off in a minute. So now what we can do is screw all those back in. That's all on. Door opens lovely, doesn't catch, blessing, which means we can then re-sand and seal, do that floor, put it back to normal. There you go. So hope this video's helped. It gives you an idea of what you need to do. You don't need a lot, you just need to put the line along the bottom of the door and skim it with a planer. I'll put a link to all the tools in the description. Now, if you like the channel, subscribe. Any comments, send me a comment. And the most important thing, you can do it. See you on the next video.